Hello plant lovers, welcome back to our channel where we share the best gardening tips and tricks. Today we're showing you how to grow more houseplants for free by propagating them from pups, also known as plantlets or offsets. Let's get started. Spider plant. To propagate a spider plant, simply identify the spiderettes, cut them from the mother plant, and plant them in their own pot with a potting soil mix. Just remember to water regularly and they'll soon establish roots and grow. Snake plant. Carefully remove pups from the parent snake plant, keeping their roots intact. Place them in well-draining soil and water regularly, ensuring the soil stays lightly moist. In a few weeks, they'll take root and grow. Bromeliads. Gently remove the bromeliad pup from the mother plant and plant it in a well-draining soil mix or potting mix designed specifically for bromeliads. Provide bright, indirect light and water well. Chinese money plant. Remove pups from the mother plant and place them in a pot with moist potting soil. Keep the soil damp but not too wet and place the pot in bright, indirect light. In a few weeks, the pups will take root and grow. Aloe. Select healthy aloe pups at least 2 inches tall with several plump leaves and carefully remove them from the parent plant. Plant the pups in a pot filled with soil designed for succulents. Place it in a sunny spot and water regularly. Easter cactus. Using a sharp knife, carefully cut the pup or offset away from the main stem, ensuring it has some roots attached. Replant it in a separate pot with well-draining soil, water regularly, and provide bright, indirect light. Air plants. Carefully remove the pup from the parent air plant, getting as much of the root system as possible. Transplant it into a new pot filled with fresh air plant mix. Water thoroughly and provide bright, indirect light. SAGO palm. Separate the pups or offsets from the main plant and plant them in well-draining soil. Keep them in a warm, humid environment with indirect light and gradually move them to a sunnier location once their roots are established. Bird of paradise. Locate a pup or offset, dig a hole slightly larger than the rooting material, and plant it. Keep the soil moist and provide plenty of sunlight. With proper care, your white bird of paradise will grow and thrive. ANTHURIUM. Remove the pup or offset from the mother plant and place it in a pot filled with a potting mix designed for anthuriums. As it grows, repot it into a larger pot with fresh soil and you'll see new growth in a few weeks. Elephant ear. Carefully remove a pup or offset from the base of the plant, ensuring it has some roots attached. Plant it in a container filled with a potting mix designed for tropical plants. Strawberry begonia. Gently remove the pup from the base of the plant and put it in a small pot filled with well-draining soil. Water the pup regularly until it's established. Philodendrons. Select a healthy philodendron pup with several leaves and a strong root system. Cut the pup from the mother plant and plant it in a pot with well-draining soil. Place it in an area with bright, indirect light. We hope you found this video helpful in learning how to propagate indoor plants from pups. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration. Happy gardening!